Hey guys, I got another video for you. So this is going to be BTS FIRE, a tutorial just for the intro, because I've done one on the chorus already. And yeah, let's get into it. So you're going to start on the ground. From here, you're going to slowly rise up. Then you're going to turn towards your left. And you're going to do back and forwards with your arms 3 times. And as you do this, you're going to slowly come and face towards the front. And basically, it's a very quick movement. So you throw the elbows back and you throw the hands in front like that. All right, so you're going to do that 3 times. Each time you do it, you take a step. And you're going to drop your weight a little bit with each step. You should stop here. Knees are slightly bent, you're facing to the front, hands are in front of your face. From here, you're going to go to the next part. You're going to jump, leading with your right leg, and then your left leg is going to follow. Like that, bring your knees up. So you jump right, left, you land right, left. As you do that, in the air, your hands are going to go over, they're going to go over top and push down as you land. Your elbows are going to go out, right, left, right, left. And as you do that, your foot, let me move back a bit so you can see my feet a little better. Your foot is going to turn to that side as well. So right, left, right, left. Okay? And on the 4th one, you're going to actually tilt your head a little bit like that. Just a little head flick. 4. From here, you're going to turn 90 degrees to your right. Tilt, bring your head down like you're diving. Bring your arms over your head and then come out by you like that. So your feet are not completely flat, but you're not really on your toes either. You're kind of like most of your foot's down. Knees are very slightly bent, and you're going to be walking as you go over this way. And then from here, your hands are going to come up, and you step with your right and throw your hands down. Cross your arms, drop forwards, hit your head back, bring your arm up, hand behind your head, step, and then your arm does 2 movements. So it's 1, 2, and your foot comes in on the 2nd, hand comes back, hands up. Okay, the next part is pretty easy. There's a freestyle, more or less. Everyone's doing something a little different. So your legs are just kind of hopping like that, and you're just twisting your hips to the other direction with your arms. You can kind of do whatever you like. It doesn't really matter as long as you're moving like that. From there, you're going to step with your left foot and do 1 arm wave. Step in and jump. Step forwards with your right and do a 1-arm dab. Pause for a second and do 1, 2, 3. And as you bring your left leg up, bring your left arm up and a left arm dab. Step down. And this part's pretty easy. You're shifting your hips back and forwards. As you're doing that, you're shaking your hands like you just touched something hot. Okay? And then you jump. And that's basically the whole thing.
total net.